Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a software to the whitelist for the parental controls on Nintendo Switch. So if you have the parental controls enabled on Nintendo Switch, then you can manage the whitelist and add certain games, let's say, to the whitelist, and the child can still have access to that set game despite not meeting the criteria or being rated higher than it should be. So what we can do is go to the console settings in the app. So first of all, of course, open the app on your smartphone and then go to console settings. And now over here next to the restriction level, we'll find the whitelist over here. If we tap here, then we should find all apps that we have or software that we have installed on Nintendo Switch. And then if you want to make an exception, simply tap the slider. So let's say I'm gonna make an exception of Red Dead Redemption. And if I do so and tap this button over here, then if there is a restriction set, let's say if I go to restriction level and set to child, then this will be an exception. The Red Dead Redemption game will be an exception, even though this game is not rated for my child still will be able to play it on Switch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.